In this tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly create this silky fabric mesh by using two modifiers. This is how the mesh looks like, and I have used a displace modifier with a noise texture, and a subsurf modifier. The usual fabric meshes are created with cloth physics like this. This mesh will have the cloth physics and it needs to be subdivided a lot. The two meshes below need to have the collision physics added. That was easy, but the most time-consuming part is adjusting the cloth physics settings afterward to make it look like a real thing. If we need to quickly create a fabric-looking mesh, the fastest method is to use displace and subsurf modifiers. The base mesh was grid, and I have used 25 subdivisions. If you don't see this menu item, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. In edit mode, I typed 1 to vertex select, and randomly selected the vertices. Type G as in George and Z as in zebra to move the selected vertices upward. After that, add the modifiers along with a noise texture and a silky material. This silky fabric mesh would look great as a background plane for a 3D logo project. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.